Hello YouTube. It is Burbizuka. Symptoms that can talk about problems with the intestines. Often people have problems with the intestines, because of which people often feel tired and not working. However, few people know that this could be a sign of such a problem. Therefore, we will tell you about the symptoms that clearly indicate to you that you have problems with the intestines. 1. Often pulls on the sweet. As scientists have proved, bacteria that are in the intestines, due to imbalances and problems, cause desire and cravings for sweets. 2. Skin problems are also a clear sign of an intestinal disorder. Also, scientists have told that when on a skin signs of acne appear, it can be an obvious sign of a problem with an intestine. 3. Psychological problems often arise. A person does not know what is being done to him, his body is constantly in a state of stress. This is also a sign of intestinal disorders. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.